Are you serious? Are you serious? NASA. Well, the the probe, the NASA probe called Dawn, has arrived at the dwarf planet Ceres. And it's the first time ever that a probe has been able to go into orbit around a dwarf planet. It has arrived. Now, NASA, it's the first time, back when NASA was first founded, we believe there were 9 planets in our solar system. But the agency obviously has a destiny to try to send humans to explore into the heavens. The Bible said that we will climb into the heavens, and NASA is fulfilling those scriptures. But as the robotic probe Dawn goes into orbit around Ceres, the advantages of this astronaut-free space travel once again becomes clear. Once considered a mere asteroid, Ceres has now been categorized as a dwarf planet. And even though it cost the Americans $473 million to build the Dawn probe, which already has sent back images of the asteroid Vesta, this will help scientists determine over the next 16 months how much water might actually exist on the dwarf planet Ceres, and what the 2 mysterious bright lights are that were shining back at the camera when the probe Dawn was 29,000 miles away. Now that it's in its orbit, certainly we might be able to understand what were those 2 bright lights. Was those reflections of frozen ice, lakes? Was it actual huge lakes, sort of like our Great Lakes are on our planet Earth? Were they some type of metallic rock that were glistening and shining back off the reflection of the sun? Don't know yet, but something seriously was there. And maybe soon we'll get the information from NASA. One thing's for sure, man has evolved to the point that we've climbing into the heavens. Now we think we can put a small colony of people on Mars. We think we can put them on the moon. We have an International Space Station up there. And yes, our technological advancements in space are extraordinary, but do they even compare to Nimrod and his Tower of Babel that he was building into the heavens, that God said, I see that man can do this, can build a tower or reach into the heavens. I must confound their languages. God has not confounded our languages yet, even though we're exploring space. It's because apparently we don't understand that ultimate technology, how to break into the next dimension of the heavens. Well, anyway, we'll continue to watch and see what NASA does, if anything, and what this might all mean as it relates to Bible prophecy. Will it bring about the great grand delusion, or the spirit of delusion, that strong delusion that Paul talked about, part of the end time deception of the New World Order? Will this all be a part of the rise of the beast in Revelation 13 and the ultimate Antichrist rise to power, along with his sidekick, the false prophet, and the mark of the beast system, which will ultimately bring the world under the dominance of a new world order, or a beast of idolatry, a beast of abominations, a beast of blasphemy against the word of God. Are you saved? Give your life to Jesus Christ, because we are running out of time.